Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today we just wanted to take a little bit of time to wish you a Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays.
We wanted to take time to recap this year and tell you what our plans are for the future.
Today we're sitting out in our outdoor kitchen that we built just about a couple of months ago. We got a beautiful view of the creek. This is an off-grid outdoor kitchen that we built, and you'll be able to go back and see some of the videos we did when we built it. We have a lot more planned in the coming year for off-grid type content, more or less, that we're going to build possibly, probably, definitely
yes.
A cabin.
Yes.
An off-grid cabin. We're going to be building a water catchment system.
Outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower and bathroom.
Mm-hmm. And then, of course, the steps down to the water, so because they can go down the embankment, but I have a little bit of a hard time doing that. Yeah. So we want to build some steps so that I can go down to the actual water and be able to fish too.
So we're going to have videos related to that in the coming year.
Yes.
We're also going to have a lot of travel videos. If you go back and see where we started at the first of the year, we traveled out west a lot. Yes. We did a lot of national parks.
So fun.
Yeah. Right now, where we are, we're in Tennessee. We're in central Tennessee. And it's very cold today, so we're both kind of shivering just a little bit. But we're going to be having quite a few videos and a lot of travels in Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky.
Arkansas.
Yeah. And we got a couple of trips coming up pretty soon to Mammoth Cave National Park and quite a few other places, but that'll be again in the coming year.
All right, so at the end of 2020 to the first of 2021, we sold our house in Louisiana after working.
Hurricanes.
Yes, yeah. After COVID hit and we were just exhausted from working from, in the medical field from COVID. Then we had Hurricane Laura and Hurricane Delta come through, and we just needed a break. And at that time, we'd already been discussing simplifying our life, traveling more, and just having a little bit more time for ourselves and for our family and stuff, and not having to dedicate every single hour to work. So we took some time. We sold our home, and I'm gonna let you tell them what we did next.
Okay.
After we sold our home.
So after we sold our home, we moved up to Tennessee with Cupcake's son. We worked on a cargo trailer build. We bought a 6x10 cargo trailer. We built it out within about a month. Mm-hmm. We really didn't have any experience other than YouTube experience.
Lots of YouTube.
but we built it out how we wanted to. It worked out really well, and we still sleep in it. Yes. All the time.
Yes.
But we started off with going out to Texas. Did a national park there, and then we started working our way up through New Mexico, Arizona, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado,
yeah.
Idaho,
Wyoming, Montana,
Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota. Yeah. So we did quite a bit.
Lot.
and again, you'll be able to see, if you look at our channel, we have over 130 videos at this point. Of just things that we've done this year.
It ended up being, I think, over 20-something national parks, monuments, state parks.
And just some unique
general,
type places.
Yeah. And I guess towns that we did too. Some unique towns that we actually loved.
Yeah. And when we started off this YouTube channel, we really didn't have the intent of actually growing it. We just wanted to put videos up so we could show family and friends and have a record of it. But we've had quite a good number of views, and we are really hoping to continue building the channel because we really enjoy doing it. And if you subscribe to our channel and you like it, please tell your friends about it.
Yes.
If you because we really want to try to grow the channel just from the effort that we're putting into it
and the fun that we're having.
So it's like if you know somebody who likes travel videos, Blackstone cooking, off-grid living, that's what we're going to be doing a lot more of. So we appreciate it if you can kind of get the word out for us. Just kind of get out there and tell people about us. We appreciate it. Capitol Reef National Park is located in central Utah and is probably the least visited of the Utah national parks. It's our favorite, however, because of the beauty of the area. It has great hikes, and the time we spent there was truly amazing. Plus, the free campsite where we stayed was only minutes outside the park. Chiricahua National Monument is located in far southeast Arizona, and the landscape there is unique and beautiful. There are many great hikes there, including the Heart of Rocks and Sugarloaf Mountain trails. Plus, there's a lot of history here. It's our favorite national monument. Valley of Fire State Park is located in far southeast Nevada, only about an hour east of Las Vegas. There are amazing hikes from the Pinnacle Loops Trail to the Fire Wave and lots more. We were there in early spring and it was cool and comfortable, but be prepared if you go in the summer because it will be hot. I haven't said anything.
Okay.
All right, well, that's going to wrap it up. This, like I said, our last video of 2021. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, which are only going to get more explorative.
Yeah.
More fun, more.
Yeah, because we've actually learned a lot, and we're still learning. We're still learning.
And our videos aren't, cinematic quality.
Yeah,
but we are working on those things.
I think we've improved.
Well, hopefully we've improved. If you think we've improved, please leave a comment below.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and leave your comments below if you have any questions for us. If
you have a suggestion on what we can improve on in the next year, or what you would like to see. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching.